Sure. So one area where I have found, and they have improved this, but I still think it struggles is essentially if you give it too much rope. So the tools tend to be most effective when they're kept on a tight leash. So you rather than saying giving it a prompt to say build me this entire system, it if you do that, it will try to, and in some cases it will produce something that at least meets the requirements that you put in there. But some of the challenges with that are one, you oftentimes there's things that you want that you didn't specify in the prompt, and and sort of details and things like that that it will just make assumptions about because that's how they work. It's an inference model, and so it will infer intent and purpose that may or may not actually be there. And so keeping it focused on smaller chunks, smaller tasks is definitely the best way to avoid that. And it's also the most efficient way when it comes to tokens and actual usage, because that's another area where I feel like you can I guess I don't know if AI is necessarily doing anything wrong per se, but it can get very expensive. And sometimes you'll see this. I saw a post just the other day on LinkedIn where somebody was lamenting how they one prompt to Claude had used up 89% of their monthly token allotment or something like that. And so the tools will churn, they will go through and process stuff, and the more involved the task that you've given them, the more that they will do that. And so I think that that is one area where you want to make sure that you keep it concise and tight because one, the output will be better, and two, you'll spend less money doing it.